സവിധി കൂപ്പുകൈകളുമായെന്നും അണഞ്ഞിടുമ്പോൾ നീ കൃപയിടുകണമേ.
Thank you, Eva. That was a nice one. Let me invite our respected principal, Dr. J. David, for the welcome speech.
Good morning, everybody. First of all, I will invite all those members who are attending this 3-day factory development program sponsored by KTU, that is Abdul Kalam Technological University, Government of Kerala. First of all, this topic of additive manufacturing and 3D printing is in the manufacturing process or manufacturing industry. This is now a hot area where we are manufacturing tiny articles from small articles, micro or millimeter type of articles, endo subjects which are even a very big building or a house. Building can also be constructed using this technology. So in this matter, it may be a mechanical part and an electronics part of controlling and devices which are used for this type of 3D printing. And the material science is also very much important. What are the kinds of materials which we can use for this kind of applications? So let me come to my part of this today's program to welcome all. First of all, I welcome our beloved chairman, Dr. Messenger Joseph Maleparambil, chairman of SJCET, who is involved in all the developments and the activities of our institution to a very high standard. So first of all, I welcome Father for this function.
Thank you.
Next, I welcome Dr. Mamilla, Ravi, Sanker, the person who is inaugurating this 3-day program, and he is from IIT Tirupati. I invite you, sir, for this function.
Thank you, Professor.
Next, I invite welcome all the participants who are attending this 3-day program. I think from our Kerala state and other states are also participants are there. First of all, because of this pandemic situation, we could not conduct the course in offline mode or in the campus, in our campus. But anyway, we will deliver you the material which is useful for your career for further in teaching to the students, so that the delivery point of view, it will be a very good useful for the students where you are working. So first of all, I welcome all of you on behalf of our institute and the coordinator of the program. I welcome all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
And I welcome all the participants from our institute and the faculty members, the HODs, our vice principal, and other faculty members who are attending this function. I welcome all of you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, may I welcome our most respected chairman of the college, Reverend Father Dr. Joseph Maleparambil, for the presidential address.
Good morning to all of you. Respected Principal Dr. David Sir, Honorable Professor Dr. Mamilla Ravi Sanker, Dr. Binoy Baby, HOD Department of Mechanical Engineering, and my dear participants. The objective of any academic institution, education institution, is to impart knowledge. Well, the success of an institution is keeping pace with the latest of the developments and articulate them to the student community. SJCET is has always created a niche in the students to explore the latest in engineering, science, and technology. We regularly conduct conferences, workshops, and faculty development programs for the benefit of faculties and students. Over the time, resource persons from IITs and NITs and other reputed educational institutions across the country and abroad have interacted through seminars, workshops, and webinars. Practicing professionals from industry, scientists from ISRO, DRDO, and Bell, and other R&D institutes of repute have also found their way to the podium in our college. I congratulate all those who coordinate this program, especially our HOD of Mechanical Engineering, Dr. Binoy Baby, and the organizers. Of course, this is a webinar. Because of the pandemic situation, we could not do proper way of arranging all organized in this kind of seminar. And I am very happy to welcome Dr. Mamilla, Ravi and Dr. Kanmani from IIT Palai, and Dr. Srikanth from the engineering Chemberi Engineering College, and all the participants. I understand that this faculty development program on additive manufacturing and 3D printing is one of the most relevant topics in the technology development era. On this occasion, I wish all the success to all the delegates and participants participating in this 3-day FDP program. Thank you.
Thank you, Father. Thank you very much. Every event needs an introduction. Let me invite Dr. Lijo Paul, Dean PG of SJCET, for an introduction on the upcoming FDP.
Respected Chairman of our Institute, Reverend Dr. Joseph Maleparambil, our Beloved Principal, Dr. J. David Sir, Head of the Department, Green Baby Sir, Guest of the Day, Dr. Mamilla Ravi Sanker, and all the colleagues across the country who joined for this FDP. So today is the day we are inaugurating our 3-day FDP, which will be an eye-opener to the latest technologies going across the nations. As you know, today we can make anything with a drawing. Whatever product you want to produce, you can produce using a drawings. Such a way the technology is changing, and the coming 3 days will be an eye-opener to most of you who are present here to see how this technology in terms of material science, in terms of production technologies, in terms of application in the aerospace, as well as in the biomedical applications. Like, we are touching every scenarios going around the 3D printing. Also, we have a one day hands-on tomorrow. We have a hands-on on the various softwares like Cura, IDEA softwares, which will be used for making the participants to get a hands-on to make the drawings ready for a 3D printing. So today, if you have a drawing ready for printing, you can go to any startups which are the fab labs around the country, and you just give that drawings, you are getting the products. So we have very good experience of a lot of things here. And we have the small lab starting here in the 3D printing, and we have small setups going on here. And a lot of projects in the BTech and Techs are going currently from the students. And we are sure this program, this 3-day program with the experts from IITs, NITs, ISROs, and various industries will be giving a very good, rich data to work on, to start on, not only for the faculties, but for the researchers as well as the graduate students who are participating in this program. So with this, I invite the guest of the day to the inaugural session. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Let me move to the most important ceremony, the inauguration. May I invite Dr. Mamilla Ravi, Associate Professor, IIT Tirupati, for the inaugural speech.
Yeah. So, respected dignitaries who are there from the institute, the respected people and elders, and namaste to all the people and participants who are across the India and other things, especially from the Kerala and other things. So, this particular FDP, as you know, that it is on 3D printing, or one of the things is additive manufacturing, which is one of the recent. It is a part of manufacturing scenario or sector where our government is emphasizing on many aspects. For example, if at all India has to grow in terms of a superpower, the manufacturing has to grow. Okay. So the manufacturing, for example, if you see, which is contributing towards the India's growth, is approximately 17%. For example, if you see China, it is approximately 35%. And China is considered to be one of the superpowers. So the main thing is that whenever you want to make your country as a superpower, one of the things that you have to make sure that your manufacturing has to be grow, because the manufacturing is the sector which has lot of potential. Now, if you take a simple toys which are getting from the market, so you can get a China made in China for 5 rupees and 10 rupees or something. Can you imagine? It has to transport from the China. It has to get lot of import charges, export charges, lot of things. Then custom clearance. After that, if they are able to sell the component of 10 rupees, can you imagine what will be the manufacturing cost of that one? So it will be maybe like 2 rupees or less than 2 rupees. That is what we have to grow. Okay, coming to the 3D printing, why we are going to 3D printing? 3D printing is, see, what we are giving to our next generations, to our children, our grandchildren, other things. For example, if you take a subtractive manufacturing where you take a bulk material and try to do the machining, and what you do, you lose a lot of material in terms of wastage. That's why if you see the scenario of manufacturing, conventional manufacturing, the material wastage is approximately counts 60% of complete wastage. So if you say that chemical wastage, that wastage, this wastage, if you consider all the wastage, so manufacturing wastage is accountable for 60% of this 100%. That means that you need to reduce the wastage because you are utilizing a lot of materials. If you are going to utilize a lot of materials, what is the basic problem? The basic problem is your generations which are going to come will have less materials, or they may don't have the materials like dinosaurs which disappeared. So this scenario should not appear. For that purpose, what the additional thing that came into picture is additive manufacturing, where you can build a component by particle by particle by particle, or powder by powder by powder. So this is one of the things. And let me comes to the FDP. It is, as I understood from Professor Lijo Paul and other people who are there. So it is a blend of academicians, it is a blend of industry people, it is a blend of research organizations like ISRO and other things. Also, it is a complete package. So the institute is providing to the participant is a complete package. Try to attend as much as possible and try to get. And many people you maybe want to do research. And most of the people who are going to present, they may also give you some of the glimpse where you can explore additive manufacturing. For example, in my talk only, just I will give you a glimpse where what I am giving back. For example, it is invited by the organization. So whenever I think back, what I am giving back to the participant in the terms of research opportunities that are there. Okay, for example, if you want to do the research opportunities or something, you need to go a lot of research, literature and other things. So some of the things I will give you. So be attentive, not only in my class, or all the people. Okay. So, and this is a golden opportunity given by the institute to all the participants. Utilize it and make a successful one, and hope this blend of all this type of people will hopefully make a very are great successful for this FDP. Thank you one and all, and this FDP is open now. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. May I invite our respected HOD, Dr. Binoy Baby, for the vote of thanks.
Respected dignitaries, fellow faculty members, and dear participants, a warm good morning to all. As we know, additive manufacturing and 3D printing technology is the most relevant area in the present manufacturing scenario. This faculty development program gives fruitful sessions in these coming 3 days of the program. Let me come to my duty. It's a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this inaugural ceremony of faculty development program conducted by Mechanical Department. First and foremost, I thank our chief guest, Dr. Mamilla Ravi Sanker, Associate Professor IIT Tirupati, who despite his busy schedule has found time to grace this occasion. Thank you, sir. We are grateful to our chairman, Reverend Dr. Joseph Maleparambil, for his words of encouragement. I thank our chairman for the guidance and encouragement for us. I thank our principal, Dr. J. David, for the vision, commitment, and support for this program. Thank you, sir. My heartfelt thanks to Dr. Lijo Paul, our coordinator, for organizing this FDP in a wonderful manner. I express my gratitude to our manager, vice principal, and other faculty members who are associated with this FDP, and other staff for their contribution and the encouragement. Last but not the least, I thank all the faculty members from various institutions who are participating in this FDP, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So that concludes our inaugural session. Thank you all. Thank you all for attending the inaugural session.